Hello everyone, I hope everyone is having a awesome and a lovely and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev. Today on this video I wanted to show you a very unique way that I believe anyone can make money online moving forward 2023 and moving forward. And this way is a free way that you can start generating income for yourself. So please pay attention and take notes, as I'll be covering a lot in this video. So what I'm about to share with you is a business model that's called YouTube automation, right? So pretty much there's a lot of channels out there who are actually showing their face and they have like a branded channel. But this unique business model, what it is like you hire a team. So for example, a video editor, a thumbnail designer, a voiceover artist, and a scriptwriter, right? And all those people pretty much work on your channel, and they do the entire whole thing. They do the research and they create the video and then also upload on your channel. So how they actually make money from doing this method is like they get paid from ads that's actually shown on your video, also shown on your channel. So if you take that example, if you look at this channel, this is like a motivation style of channel, right? The good thing about this channel is pretty much you can get started doing this channel, this niche, for very little money, right? So you don't need a lot of money to get started. And what it is, how they actually make this style of videos is they're taking audios from different speakers. So for example, motivation speaker like Steve Harvey, you got Tony Robbins, you got Ed Mylett, you got Grant Cardone, you got TD Jakes. So there's a lot of different motivational speakers, and what they actually do, if I click on this video, you'll actually see that pretty much what it is like they do like a compilation style of videos. So they got like 4 or 5 or 6 different speakers combined in one video, and what they're actually doing is they're making like a compilation. So they're compiling all these audios together. They're putting their background music, they're putting subtitle, and they're also using like clips from YouTube, or they sometimes use clips from story blocks, pixabay, just to create these videos. So I'll just quickly play it so you can see how it looks like, right?
You have a moment where you can go
right,
forward,
so that's Steve Harvey,
or you can give up. But the thing you have to keep in mind
before you give
up.
And then so as you can see, they got like different speakers. Sometimes they show their face and sometimes they actually don't. And pretty much the entire video, they just talk about
never go to a car wash again.
They just create the video based on a particular topic. So for example, the topic is I will not quit. So what they actually do is they go to YouTube. They maybe, if they want to make a video about that you don't want to quit, they just search for that particular topic and they compile the audios together. Once they have compiled the audios together, they clear out any sort of echoes in the voiceovers, and they just take the audio part and they create like a 8 or 10 minute video from that. And also they put their own original music. They're putting in the subtitle, and they're putting like a channel intro. So that way it's like our own unique creation. They create this from scratch, right? So there's a lot of website that you can get audios from, particularly on this channel. They mainly get all this script from YouTube itself. And there's websites also you can use is Amazon, where you can get audios from free of charge. You don't have to pay for anything. And also if you go in here, you can see where they're actually getting the music from and which speakers they've actually used. So they're using Steve Harvey, Les Brown, Jim Brown. And if you go down, you can see here the video blocks all these different places they're getting the videos from, clips from, and also the music. You can see this is the source they're actually getting the music from, and they do compilation, they compile it, right? You can see the tags, how much tags they've used. So if you're going to be creating a channel like this, you want to model like this channel, right? But the thumbnail, you can see, is very, very strong emotions in the thumbnail, and easily this channel is, I'd say, getting like $10,000-$15,000 per month. This channel is bringing in, because see how much amount of views they're getting on a continuous basis. So there's a lot of other channels doing the same style of content, and it is working now greatly, because a lot of people out there, they actually need motivation. So, and the good thing about this channel and this niche is like it's super high CPM niche. Per 1,000 views you're going to get like on this actual niche is like $35-$40 per 1,000 views. And you also want to make your video a little bit longer, so that way YouTube puts more ads. And if you go over 8 minutes, you can start putting more ads, right? So that's what I'll do if I'm getting started, and if I want to make money fast, utilizing YouTube automation. But another thing you have to keep in mind, that you have to get your channels monetized. How I actually monetize my channel is like I have teams who actually monetize the channel for me on an ongoing basis. So those channels have like 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours, and I also give sell those channels as well. So if you're looking to get started with this style of channel, this style of niche, you can go and do it everything organically. But if you also do need a channel, I also provide a channel, so reach out to me. I'll leave a link in the description for my Facebook, and then we can start sharing. But something else I wanted to show you is another different business model that I've also started doing, which doesn't take much of my time. At the moment I'm putting only about 45 to an hour a day, and pretty much what it is like all in one business model, right? So it has the training, and it provides you like a lot of bonus. And pretty much what it is like it pays you recurring commission, so month after month that you're going to be earning. So this is how much the company have actually paid out for the affiliates, $3 million, which is a lot, right? And what this company is also doing, they're feeding the young the kids all around the world. So hungry kids, they're feeding all around the world. And that's the good thing. That's the reason, my main reason I joined, is because you're doing something good, you're doing business as well, and at the same time you feeding the kids all around the world. So that way, you know, you're doing something good in the world. Like that's the main reason I started. But another reason is I was also looking for recurring income. If suppose something happens, I want to have the money coming to my bank account like every single month, right? And that's what everyone wants. That's what I think everyone should be moving towards, to start creating something that's like giving you income on a continuous basis. And you can see just one sale can turn into 74,000 per year. So you know, how many companies do you know that can promise all this, right? 2 sales only turns into 149,000 per year. 3 sales, 224,000 per year. So if you're thinking about inquiring about this, I'll also provide a link underneath this video. You can check it out, and any question you have, reach out to me via Facebook. I'll answer all your questions, and then we can go from there. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and may God bless you all, and until next time, bye for now.